What's up, y'all? I'm about to head to the Toliver concert. Make sure to turn this air down. It's hot out here. But anyway, I'm going to the Toliver concert on the way there. I'm gonna get y'all footage and everything of the concert. The fit, man, y'all can't see it right now, but I got my Ghost Rider tee, you know, the cutoff tee with these jeans from Elite, I believe. But I'm gonna give you a full, you know, view of the outfit, but we about to be lit. Y'all know I'm a big fan of Toliver. This the first concert in ATL, so it's about to go crazy. Let's get it.
Yeah, okay. Yeah. You hear me? You said what? Yeah, boy. I want to bring a what's called it. Let me know. Hey, in the VIP said shout out to my boy. I wasn't expecting this. Bro, it's a whole, they can eat. Man got a good view of the stage, sitting down, whole little section. Hey, it's lit. About to eat. Oh, you can drink? Hope I'll be alright. Y'all blame me.
Let's get to it then, come on.
Turn up.
Turn this Drake down. You go up and go over there, Drake. What's up, YouTube, man? Hey, so today is Wednesday, and I am doing a cooking class. So y'all know I've been, you know, meal prepping more into this cooking and everything. So I am doing this cooking class. So we're gonna check it out. This it's like a pasta. Like chicken Alfredo. Well, it's just a pasta class. So I thought it was pretty cool. It's in the Pond City Market. So we're on our way there now. And yeah, we're gonna go check it out and check out the vibes and stuff like this. So y'all finna see the experience and everything. So hope y'all enjoy, and let's whip it up.
Slowly put your hand two different this type of flour. 100%. Use it to roll over your face. Once you've done this so many times, you start to use it. I promise. Bring it for a bag. Yeah, do I hit the floor? I would go always to the floor with the table, yeah. Yep. So if you can fit it in there flat like this, you're perfect. If you're not touching any. And we're just mixing the egg yolks and the egg whites. So no flour, just the egg. Give it a little burst. Ooh. And once that yolk has bursted open, you're gonna give it a whisk. Like you're scrambling eggs
I
with your
have
hand.
nails, so nails are kind of like mine. It definitely feels weird.
Doing that with the dry hand. The wet hand will be just folding the egg. And when I say fold the egg, I'm just gonna move it to the side a little bit, sprinkle it on top. Not too much movement because you don't want it to become a cake batter, but enough to cover all the eggs so it starts to get really thick and crumbly. You can even scoop it in if you need to, like this, to help bring some of that in. Exactly, literally. So remember, don't squeeze, okay?
That's right.
Nice job. So we're gonna keep it in the ball really quickly before we knead. Nice job. After kneading, this helps it was stick down a little bit. You should notice it's starting to be a little springy too. It's gonna start bouncing back as you press down. No, it's good.
Okay, after we
It's not getting worse, it's better. Nice, good soft. What do you think? It feels similar, right? Perfect. Let it rest, okay? The same thing again. Cut it off. Same length. Sprinkle that semolina. I kind of do like a little bit of it. And do that until you have no pieces left.
So you should have like 3.
And then sprinkle some on top.
Thank you.
You're the master chef on Ratatouille.
A little bit more, a little bit more.
Alright? Everybody has their sheets made,
Yeah.
the guys? Good job.
Okay, that's much better.
Now put some of that flour on there. Half a bowl of semolina, so it covers each noodle. And then lay it flat like this so they don't bunch up, okay? Lay it flat, straight across. Make sure you catch it before it ends. On the other side. Yep, you can just switch hands.
Lost the noodle.
Now you're gonna take it like this and give it a little back.
What it do? What's up? Y'all see the fresh cut? I cut my own hair this morning, this weekend. Oh, first of all, what's up? What's up, man? I hope y'all doing good. Today is Friday. Like I said, I got up this morning and I cut my hair. I was up late last night because I just had to clean my apartment, man. It was so junky, and of course I'm gonna upload that on this vlog. But yeah, today Friday. I just got back from the outlets mall, the outlet mall, and I really didn't find much, you know what I'm saying, honestly. But I did get I did go on Zoomies, and I'm gonna show y'all these outfits I'm like trying to put together. But I got 2 tank tops, and they like the high quality, like thick tank top. These ain't your regular Hanes. But let me show y'all real quick. Hold on. Hope y'all stay right there. Nah, it's gonna follow. Alright. I'm filming this video, this part of my vlog on the DJI, because I had it. But I did go to Zoomies, and I saw these. I was just, browsing around, but I did see these nice tank tops where I'll be throwing these like casual outfits. I'm gonna show y'all kind of like the outfit I'm going for. But it's the summertime, so I thought I was gonna get these tank tops. It's some brand called Nighthawk fundamentals, and they very thick. It's that good quality. These ain't the little Hanes. So I got a black one and a white one. Just they having like a little sale on them. So that's gonna be pretty dope for the outfit I'm gonna put together. I ain't been to her Aeropostale in some years, but I saw this jersey. It's like the car racing jersey, the F1 or whatever. And this is dope. Like, check this out, y'all. Like, this is a nice quality jersey. So I had to cop this. And I actually might wear this tomorrow to the soccer. So tomorrow, y'all, Saturday, they do have, for right now, they got this, like the FIFA tournament thing going on down at this It's downtown somewhere. I know it's by Mercedes Benz, but you know, this that little event I'm gonna be attending, and y'all gonna see it. So I'm gonna be filming. I'm gonna bring my camera down there tomorrow, and then I also might hit up the street market. I think DDG's supposed to be pulling up to the little the clothing event vendor thing, whatever. So I might be doing that, checking out all the brands and stuff like that. So I'm gonna be doing that, and yeah. But yesterday, I don't think I told y'all about the cooking class. The cooking class was very, very dope. I think I just showed y'all the footage of it, but we made some noodles and it was pretty dope. I like how the designs and everything, that was real fun. They even served us some pasta that they actually made, and it was very, very good. I might have to go back and get that. But yeah, it was a good time, nice class. I actually know how to make pasta from scratch now, so I might be cooking that, you never know. But yeah, today's video, I'm just gonna be doing some work. I do have a lot of videos to edit, some emails to send out, and some videos to shoot. So I'll be doing that, and I'm just gonna chill tonight because last weekend I was out. So this weekend I'm gonna still get out tomorrow, but tonight I might just play it cool, play it safe. So y'all gonna see me filming behind the scenes, and hey, y'all we're gonna see what this weekend takes us. Like I said, y'all gonna be joining me tomorrow. So you know, so just stay tuned, and yeah, let's get it. Today is Saturday. Like I told y'all yesterday, man, I'm up here getting ready, about to head out to the soccer FIFA little festival thing. So y'all gonna get send some B-roll, some footage of that. I'm gonna go out there, vibe with the people. I personally don't really watch soccer, but you know, I'm just gonna be out there for the vibes, you know what I'm saying? It look pretty nice, look pretty dope, and I just wanna see the energy and everything. We're gonna be checking out outside today, and we got the NBA Finals tonight, so gotta watch that. It's gonna be a full Saturday, but I'm ready for it, so let's go. And I'm gonna let y'all look at the fit too, check out the fit. You know, I got some slight on, you know, I got this jersey from Aeropostale. It's like a F1 racing jersey, and these cargo shorts, I forgot where it's from, and I ain't wearing these slides. I ain't gonna throw on the brick by brick for Jordan 4s because it matches the jersey and everything. So that's what I'm having on. That's the quick little fit check, and yeah, let's go.
Now be with the hit maker.
She said, take your time, what's the rush? I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm a mutt. She said, take your time, what's the rush? I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm a mutt. I'm a dog, I'm a mutt. I can smoke already, so hard in my blood it is. I see that pretty face, so I got trust in. Gotta let my guard down for you. Set up for my guard down for you.
NT, you made this?
Like in the nighttime, watch what she do when the light shine. Drunk niggas tryna talk in the strip club. Shorty silhouette look like a dollar sign. Caught up, that's just how a nigga brought up. Blow ones for your loony ass niggas, straight bells for your toony ass niggas. My niggas bigger than the bounce. Roll up in the bitch, still smell like an ounce. Right quick, tight jeans on, so you feel my shit. I'm something good, baby. Tell me something good, shout. I'ma bring it to the hood, baby. Bring it back to the hood, shout. If you start to feel like in the nighttime, bust it up for shorty when the light shine. Still fucking with your same ass, nigga. I know you wanna break what you want on.
Alright, what's up guys? I just realized I didn't end the last vlog. I'm currently like uploading it right now. Well, editing and uploading right now, but I'm just gonna go and talk to y'all about like this, you know, the whole video. I ain't really explained like deep in details of like the concert, the cooking class, and like the festival. But starting with the concert was super dope, man. Shout out to Toliver. Not to mention he just announced he doing a second concert, so you know I have to go to that. Me and my homeboy, he invited me. I already got tickets, but he was like he had the access the club studio access to the concert, so it had food as y'all seen, and this is our own like kind of like private like area to sit in. It's like much room, so it was just so dope, cool. It was all you can drink and eat, man. I'm talking, had a blast, man. That was like probably the best. Okay, I have been to the Drake and J. Cole concert, and that was super dope because, you know, they're my two favorite, you know, artists. But this right here has to go in my top 5 concerts, I'm telling you. And it's like, it ain't number 1, but it's number 2 for sure. So that was pretty dope. And I also, you know, like, that was pretty dope. That was like crazy. But anyway, cooking class. The cooking class was very dope. Like I said, y'all know I'm trying to get more into cooking. So it really showed me how to, you know what I'm saying, how to start pasta from scratch. We actually made noodles, and I have them now. I'm gonna cook them like later in another vlog, actually cooking them and like, you know, eating them, whatever. But she just made us like help us make this noodles from scratch. And it was very fun, very dope. I learned a lot, and that was pretty cool. Also just checked out some views around the Pond City, and that was pretty dope. And the fan festival for the soccer, for the, you know, the soccer tournament coming up, and y'all know the World Cup, I think it's like here in Atlanta. So it's pretty dope, like so many fans, and like the vibe, everything is good. They got food, games, good to bring your family out there. Man, it's been nice out there. It's been packed, you know what I'm saying? It's free. Not the food and the drinks and everything, but, you know, so just to get and have a good time and watch the game. If you go to that, I say go, because right now it's hot. It's hot. So I went out there and I was burning up, so I only been out there for about an hour, and I came back. It was too hot. So yeah, it was a good, you know, so I just had a good I had a good little weekend, you know, a good little time. So yeah, that's my update. My next vlog y'all gonna see, I ain't gonna say too much, but it's gonna be definitely a dope vlog. Also, y'all gonna like it. I got more stuff coming up. I got another trip coming up I want to show y'all. And man, yeah, I just been staying, you know, disciplined, working out, meal prepping and stuff like this. So of course y'all gonna see more of that. And yeah, man, so yeah, thank y'all for rocking with me. I hope y'all enjoying these videos, these vlogs. I'm definitely gonna be, you know, I'm gonna keep vlogging, keep showing y'all my life and everything, and like what I'm currently working on, trying to stay disciplined and get more into the word, and, you know what I'm saying, get my body right, you know what I'm saying, like just stay fit. And of course, I'm gonna still do the styling videos. You know, the fashion is always there. I got more brand deals and stuff like this. So of course, y'all gonna be seeing that. And you know, y'all check out my Instagram and TikTok also. But I appreciate y'all, love y'all, man, just for following me on this journey. I got so much more to come, man. I'm telling you so much. So y'all gonna want to join this channel, subscribe, like, comment, anything. Y'all just let me know in the comment section below. I appreciate y'all, and I catch y'all next vlog, man. See you. Peace.